Hey guys, I wanted to try something new on my channel, so I'm gonna do a POV drive with commentary. Today we have a 2025 Toyota Crown Platinum. Now you may ask, what exactly is Crown? Well, you can kind of look at it as a replacement for the Avalon. It's Toyota's most upscale model. If you take the Supra and Land Cruiser out of the equation, it's kind of in between being a mid-size / full-size SUV. Now, the reason why I said SUV crossover is because it's a lifted sedan, it has higher ground clearance, it has all-wheel drive, and a hybrid system with either CVT or a 6-speed manual, depending on the powertrain you get. We got two options. You can either get a, I think, 237 horsepower hybrid powertrain with a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine and a eCVT. You can also get the upgraded Hybrid Max variant that I'm testing today, which has 340 horsepower, 2.4-liter turbo engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's not a dual clutch, it's just a regular torque converted transmission that you can find in cars like the Lexus TX 500h or RX 500h. I think Grand Highlander also comes with that powertrain. So, this being the most upscale Toyota is the most boring to drive Toyota, probably. It's super floaty. Now, the Platinum model that we gets the adaptive suspension, gets rear-wheel steering, but don't let it fool you. We're here on my favorite back road. You can pop it into Sport Plus, manual mode, downshift to second. Downshifts are pretty quick. So are upshifts, can't complain, but spirited driving is not what the Crown is designed for. Okay, we're gonna approach this corner here, can even downshift, and yeah, we get massive understeer. The car doesn't want to rotate, so even after stiffing up dampers and telling the powertrain to be more aggressive, we're not gonna have too much fun. I gotta say, the combination of the electric motor and the turbo engine is pretty cool. I kind of like how much low-end torque we get, and it's available pretty quickly. The brakes, typically for a hybrid vehicle, don't feel as great as I would like them to, but you can kind of live with it. Definitely requires getting used to, but after a couple of days you'll figure it out and you'll know what to do. Oh yeah, nope, I don't think this makes more sense. Let's do what this car is designed for, put it into comfort mode, back into drive, and let's just enjoy it. And we can really enjoy this thing. It's super quiet. Not sure if it has laminated glass. No, it doesn't. Obviously the front windshield is laminated, but not the side windows. But Toyota did put a lot of effort into reducing NVH, and you can really relax this car. Overall, you probably heard it from 20 million different people, but this kind of feels like a Lexus. You can easily slap a Lexus badge here, and I would think I'm driving a Lexus for multiple reasons, right? We have a cabin that's very well designed. It's super comfortable. The seats are amazing. They provide decent support, but what's really important is you don't feel tired after several hours of driving this thing. I have some back issues, and after adjusting the lumbar support the right way and other things, I felt great driving this. We finally have a good technology, the infotainment system that works, that's not laggy. There's still some minor bugs, like for example, every single time I change the navigation map, it doesn't remember my view. That happens basically in all Toyotas or Lexus that I've reviewed. Apple CarPlay works seamlessly. The wireless connection is very fast. Can't complain about that. We still have physical HVAC controls, which is much appreciated. I think what Toyota really did with this cabin is they put things that are not necessarily into the touchscreen, into the infotainment screen, and all the physical controls you need, they're here, right? Your auto high beams, heated wipers, your dimmer, access to the 360 camera or park assist. Can't ask for more. Now, there's only one problem with this car, and it's the price. As tested, we're looking at $55,000, which is a lot, especially considering that Lexus ES exists. Now, I know there are people that like being low-key, not flashy, and have no issues with paying $55K for a Toyota, especially given what it offers. You know, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, good technology that's not overwhelming, that works for you. But I don't think it's the best value proposition. But we have the mid trim called Limited that doesn't have rear wheel steering, doesn't have adaptive suspension, doesn't have the turbo engine, but it costs $9,000 less. And I think that's actually a great offering in a segment if you're looking for a comfortable daily. With a quirky design, I'm not gonna lie, lifted sedan will not work for everyone. As you can tell, Subaru Outback Sedan and Volvo S60 Cross Country existed, but they weren't really successful. We'll see how this one does. But yeah, like I said, if you're looking for something that's not flashy, that is reliable, that's gonna get great fuel economy, then the Limited trim with a 2.5 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder gets all-wheel drive, has a eCVT, but for everyday driving it's gonna work great. I think it's a great proposition. The problem with this, you know, hybrid max is Lexus ES exists, and yes, you don't get the turbo powertrain of the ES, but you can still get a V6 if you're not crazy about fuel economy. This one will return decent fuel economy. I averaged about 30 miles per gallon in the city, about 32, 33 on the highway, 32 combined, which is pretty good. Like I said, this is something that I wanted to test, do this POV drive with my commentary. I'm curious what you guys think. Let me know if you wanna see more of those videos, or if I should be doing just a voiceover over the videos that I'm currently making. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you later.